Feeling stuck before a big decision because that inner voice keeps telling you, I can't do this? Many people let self doubt silently hold them back, but you can shift that mindset in minutes. One easy way to start is by creating quick, empowering affirmations that you can actually repeat when you are feeling unsure. Let me show you how. I just typed this prompt into ChatGPT. Feel free to pause the video and copy it if you want. As you can see, it gives you 5 short, actionable affirmations you can use immediately. I like to pick the ones that feel most natural to me and repeat them aloud. This quick step is useful, but real, lasting confidence comes from going deeper. The confidence challenge walks you through the underlying beliefs that create self doubt and teaches a 5 step method to rewire them. By the end, making big decisions becomes natural, not stressful. I've linked the challenge in the description. It also includes a personal advisor and daily exercises to anchor your confidence permanently. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and gives you the tools to finally silence self doubt. Click the link in the description to begin the confidence challenge today.